Some gigabyte holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. My friends, at this time the cryptocurrencies market is going down and all the holders of cryptocurrencies is in the loss. A lot of people are in the loss in this time, so how you can save yourself from loss? In this video I will show you, my friends. Just keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please, my friends, click the subscribe button now and also like this video, my friends. My friends, the currently latest price of the gigabyte DGB coin is 0.037703 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the DGB coin. Furthermore, my friends, if you look the price change of the gigabyte coin, so the price change is negative. And from the previous last 1 month, I think that the previous last one month the price is negative. You can see the last 1 week are also negative. So my friends, that means that you are in the loss. How you can save yourself from loss? I think that holding is the best way to save yourself from loss. If you hold gigabyte coin, so there is a lot of chances to you will get save yourself from loss. And I also recommend for everyone to please hold it on the side to sell. Anyways, what do you think? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Hold and be safe from loss. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.